Okay, so the angle of a sector of a circle of radius 4.2 centimeter is given as 150 degrees. We are finding the perimeter of that sector. Remember, if you make a sketch of this circle and your sector is here, this is going to be the radius, and here is going to be the length of the arc. The angle subtended is 150. So to find the perimeter, I know the perimeter is going to be the R plus what? The L. The R is the radius in the question. So the only thing I need is the length of the arc. And finding the length of the arc is theta over 360 times what? The length is on a circumference. So that gives us 2 pi what? R. So just substitute your 150 for the angle divided by 360, which will also be an angle, times 2. Pi is 22 on 7. Let me maintain the R here since I have no space. So if I cancel 0, 0, so I'll be having 5 on 12 times these 2 times that. I think I can do that as 44 divided by 7 times 4.2, which is referring to the radius in them. If you do your cancellation, we can multiply everything. I think that will be giving us 11 as in meters, right, or centimeters. So therefore, your perimeter will now be the radius, which is 4.2 plus 11. And 4.2 will be 8.4. That will give us 19.4, I guess. Right? 8. So we have 19.4 centimeter. This is just one way of getting that. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.